Stackable storage bins. These stackable storage bins are a game changer. Perfect for organizing lightweight items like clothes, shoes, toys, or snacks. Mesh design lets you see what's inside without opening them. Just snap the panels together to set them up. No tools needed. When not in use, they fold flat, making it easy to store them under the bed or in a closet. These bins are versatile and can be used in any room, whether it's a bedroom, office, or even the garage. Their durable construction ensures they will last, and their sleek design adds a touch of style to your storage solutions, helping you maintain an organized and clutter-free space effortlessly. Cable management box. Say goodbye to messy cords and power strips with this cable management box. It's a lifesaver. Simply place your power strip and cables inside, close the lid, and voila, clean and tidy. It has 3 slots for easy cable entry and exit, making setup a breeze. Made of durable ABS plastic, it's safe for homes with kids and pets, ensuring a neat and hazard-free environment. This versatile box can be used under your desk, by your TV, or even in the kitchen to keep your space looking neat and organized. No more tripping over tangled cables, just a clean, streamlined look. Expandable kitchen shelf organizer. Need more storage space in your kitchen? This expandable shelf organizer is the answer. It stretches from 16 to 27 inches, providing extra room in your cabinets. The super sturdy construction holds up to 60 pounds, making it perfect for plates, bowls, spices, and more. You can even stack it on another shelf for additional space. Assembly is quick and easy. Just tighten screws and you're all set. This organizer is also easy to clean. Just wipe it with a damp cloth. It's a fantastic way to maximize your kitchen storage, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. 4-tier rotating storage rack. This rotating storage rack is a must-have for your kitchen. With 360-degree swivel wheels, you can move it around effortlessly. The detachable baskets offer versatile storage options for fruit, veggies, snacks, or toiletries. Made of sturdy stainless steel, it's built to last and withstand daily use. Plus, the wheels lock in place to keep everything stable, ensuring that your items stay secure. Easy to assemble and versatile. This storage rack is perfect for adding extra storage space and keeping your kitchen neat and tidy. Its sleek design and practical functionality make it an essential addition to any home. Slim shoe cabinet. Organize your shoes with this sleek shoe cabinet. It has 3 flip drawers with adjustable shelves, holding 18 to 24 pairs of shoes. Customize the shelves to fit boots, sneakers, or flats. The top drawers are perfect for storing small items like keys, wallets, or sunglasses. Its pull-down design makes grabbing your shoes quick and easy, saving you time and hassle. Ideal for narrow spaces like entryways or hallways. This cabinet adds both style and functionality to your home. Its modern design complements any decor, while its practical features keep your footwear collection organized and easily accessible. Rectangular Lazy Susan organizer. This Lazy Susan organizer is perfect for your fridge and cabinets. Measuring 15.4 by 11 inches, it rotates 360 degrees, giving you easy access to all your items. The durable acrylic construction ensures it will last, and the suction cups provide extra stability to keep everything secure. It's a great way to keep all your items visible and within reach, preventing food waste and ensuring everything is easily accessible. Forget about forgotten leftovers. Everything you need is right in front of you, making your kitchen more efficient and clutter-free. This organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen storage. 5-tier over-the-door hanging organizer. Add extra storage space to your home with this over-the-door hanging organizer. The clear design makes it easy to find what you need at a glance, saving you time and effort. Made from durable, waterproof materials, it maintains its shape even when full, ensuring long-lasting use. With 5 compartments, you can store a variety of items, from toys and diapers to toiletries and office supplies. Installation is a breeze. Just hang it over any door under 2 inches thick and you're done. This organizer is perfect for small spaces, helping you keep your essentials within reach and neatly stored away. Pull-out organizer for pots and pans. This pull-out organizer for pots and pans is a game changer for your kitchen storage. It slides out smoothly, making it easy to reach all your cookware without digging through cabinets. It comes with 8 adjustable dividers to keep everything organized, whether it's pots, lids, cutting boards, or baking trays. You can install it with screws for a permanent setup or use the no-drill option with double-sided tape if you don't want to damage your cabinets. Made of sturdy steel, it prevents rust and ensures stability, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen. Weekly pill organizer. This XL weekly pill organizer is designed for convenience and ease of use. It features large openings on one side, making it easy to fill and grab your pills. Each compartment holds up to 8 fish oil capsules or 16 regular pills, ensuring you're set for the week. The lids stay open at 180 degrees, making refilling a breeze. Built to last with sturdy hinges, the labels won't fade even after 10,000 uses. Plus, it comes with a sleek black case that keeps your meds private, making it perfect for travel or daily use. It's BPA-free for added safety and peace of mind. 360 degrees rotating grain dispenser. Keep your kitchen organized and efficient with this 360 degrees rotating grain dispenser. It has 6 sections for storing different types of grains like rice, lentils, and beans. The smooth rotation allows you to choose what you need easily. An enlarged outlet, easy push button, make it simple to use. No more jams, just pour with ease. Its compact design saves space and lets you see how much grain is left at a glance. This dispenser is perfect for anyone who wants a neat and efficient kitchen setup, making meal prep simpler and more enjoyable.